Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Ahmed back with another video. So in today's video we are going to unbox the Redmi 7 and the box feels quite heavy, and let's see what all contents we get in the box and what's the quality of the phone, what are the exclusive features available on this device. And we also had tried a Hindi video, like the last upload was in Hindi but that didn't sound good, so let's continue the videos in English. So first let's cut this off, seal here and another one here. Okay, two seals broken. Now let's open up the box. First of all we find this thing, user manual maybe, or it might even be a case. So let's just pull it out and check it out. So here we find a case that's black in color. Yes, a silicone case, normal case that you get with Redmi Note 5 Pro as well. So that was there in it, and there is one user manual, yeah, quite thin this time, that's good. And we find the device itself on the box. Let's keep this aside for a moment and let's check out the other contents in it. So inside the box we get a USB cable for charging and data transfer, and a charging brick with just a second, it has sorry, I'm not able to read it, 0.35 amps 5 watt output with 2 ampere charging. The device supports fast charging, but I don't know why they don't include this thing in the box. So let's boot up the device and talk about the physical overview. And here we have the power unlock button and volume rockers on the top, and then we have a 3.5mm jack that's looking nice there, some golden print inside, and with the second I think the primary earpiece there, and charging port on the downside with grills down there, with a fingerprint sensor and dual camera setup on the back side. And we find these curved edges and that feels good. And we have a dedicated slim micro SD card slot with 2 nano SIM support. I don't know why I'm telling Kim for everything. And let's check out for this thing, guys. Okay, let's bring this out. I think there is something inside that. No, there is nothing else. Then they didn't include the pin for inserting the SIM. So let me just take out my old SIM injection tool. So here it is. Let's check out the SIM tray there, how it is, and what's the setup inside. And you can find this type of setup, 2 nano SIMs and a micro SD card support. Alright, then let's just peel off these stickers. And this is done. Let's keep this there. And then the back side. So this is the device, guys. It's beautiful. It has a shining cover behind, and there is a fingerprint slot there. And now let's just set up the device as fast as possible.
From a distance you can tell.
So the setup is done, guys. Clicking on this, let's load the apps. Okay, so let's wait for another moment. Alright guys, the brightness is gone there. Okay, so everything is set up and the device is ready. This is the box, and let's check out the camera here. Allow AI camera. Okay, so here the box. Let's check out the details. Okay, let's take a photo of the bill because let's check whether we can read the details of the written on the paper clearly. And yeah guys, the details are quite clear, as you guys can see. So that was the camera review, and let's check out the selfie camera here. And we are sitting on the other side. That's good, and that's it in this video guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Technoxity. Okay, now first let's just check out the channel. Hey, let me just show you the channel again on the new device for the first time. And this is the channel. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.
We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be